man.
Time to prepare for the meeting. Where is this boy? Dino! Godino! Where is this boy? Godino! Where have you been?
What's going on here?
Yes, Papa. Okay, help me wash those clothes I left in the bucket. I'm going out. Papa, what? Papa, I cannot send Jeff to wash the clothes. Every time you be sending only me. So I better Jeff to wash the clothes, Jare. Every time you only me, Jare. Jeff! 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 Oh!
Yes, Daddy.
Jeff, help me wash those clothes I left in the bucket.
Okay, Daddy.
I'm going out.
Yes,
I'll be back soon. You hear? My dear son, I'm coming.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you very much.
Don't go wash clothes. I go wash my Daddy.
But Jeff said we'll be washing these clothes now. This boy. Oh.
A few moments later.
Come on. God, thank you for today, Johnny. Jeff.
Daddy,
I
welcome.
bought you something.
Wow.
God have mercy upon us.
Daddy, thank you
Good
very
boy.
much. Thank you. Papa, welcome. Papa, where is my own gift now? I didn't buy gifts for you. The gift I bought is for only Jeff. Papa was the one that washed the clothes.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Now. Oh, Daddy, I was the one that washed the clothes. Papa, it's me. I was the one that washed the clothes.
We must learn a
wash your clothes. Oh.